No, this is Ravi. Who are you?
Oh, sorry. I think I dialed the wrong number. My name is Vansh.
Okay, no problem. Hello.
Bro, it's me again, Vansh. Sorry, my phone screen is cracked. It keeps redialing.
Oh, bro, your phone is cracked or your luck is cracked?
Maybe both. Sorry again.
Hello.
Sir, this is Viggy. Your order is outside.
Sorry. I thought you were someone else.
Should I come upstairs, sir?
No. Wait outside. I am coming. Oh, my delivery. Who is it now?
Bro, last time pakka. I was checking your number
Is working.
is working or not.
It works, bro. It works, but too much.
Sounded so frustrated. So I just checked.
Arey, anyone will be frustrated, yaar, if no wrong number becomes a friend.
Don't worry, bro. I just saved my tuition teacher number. You are safe now.
Oh, thank God. Now I can sleep in a peace.
Have a good day, Ravi. I am sorry again.
You too once, but mind it. Don't call again and again.
No promises.
What did you say? What?